Hi, good morning. Daria Jackson Legonier here. Before I started using the Power Lead system, I used to agonize over making lead capture pages and sales pages. Even though I knew it was something that I needed to do to brand myself, it was just something I just dreaded doing because it was very confusing to me. The first thing I noticed how simple, super simple it is. I started cranking out lead capture pages like crazy. And since then, it's just been a joy to create a lead capture page, a sales page for the products that I'm promoting. And the best part is I no longer have to approach that task feeling overwhelmed and having knots in my stomach. I approach it with a smile, and actually I enjoy it. So to get access to this product, click the link below and you can get a 7-day trial and start creating and cranking out sales pages for yourself. So check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.